deal with complaints against applicants. The Supreme Court speaking on the NJAC, the AG tells the Supreme Court Collegium must consult the bar before appointments. AG also tells the Supreme Court that nominations of persons made by the Chief Justice of High Courts who are being considered for appointment should be made public. The AG tells the Supreme Court there should be a prescribed criteria in the public domain on appointment of judges. All right, developments in the NJAC issue before the Supreme Court. Earlier, the government had struck down the NJAC passed by Parliament. Hearing the matter, the Supreme Court had admitted that there was a need to make the system for appointment of judges more transparent. What we're hearing now is that arguing the case, the Attorney General has told the Supreme Court that that nominations of persons made by Chief Justice of High Courts who are being considered should be made public. Let's get a word from Ahmed Azim, who's with us on the phone line. Ahmed, the important arguments being made by the Attorney General in court.
Well, there were arguments from all the sides, and Supreme Court Constitution bench said that it got diverse suggestions for improving Collegium system, and AG appearing for center tells the bench that Collegium should not act without recording reasons while a particular person is why a particular person is appointed a judge. And he also said that there should be a prescribed criteria in the public domain on appointment of judges. And the Collegium has to put in public domain minimum eligibility of a person to be appointed as a judge. And nominations of the persons made by the Chief Justice of the High Court who are being considered for appointment should be made public. And he also said that Collegium must consult bar before appointment. The eminent person from the should be consulted, and for High Court appointment, different High Courts should have different criteria for appointment. He said that there cannot be a single criteria for appointing judges in various High Courts. So it has to be region specific. And the Supreme Court said after hearing all the arguments, it reached to a conclusion that there are four important aspects which are to be considered. And the first in that is transparency. The second one is the minimum eligibility criteria.
Right.
And the Secretariat for Collegium should also be set up so that the applications can be sought, and its composition and how to deal with complaints that comes against a particular person who is to be appointed. So the hearing is still going on, and there are more things expected to come.
All right, so more developments expected as of now. The Attorney General saying that the process needs to be made more